Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to check IMEI numbers of this device. So let's start with a way which requires entering a secret code. We have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad, and the code which you have to enter is *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings, which is a little bit different and a little bit longer, however still useful, especially when you will forget about the secret code. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Now let's scroll down and tap on the status, and as you can see right here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.